um, there is still a stigma right now in that case here in the Philippines. And you know what the Philippines is? I think it's in the number one top list of having these cases. Like we have about 60 cases per day of this illness. Hello, Focau? Focau? I don't know how to pronounce the name.
Yeah, you pronounce it right.
Yeah. You know, the Filipinos tend to syllabic everything. So I just pronounce that as most of the Filipinos will do.
All right. Like, I thought I can be more sympathetic to your case, but after the more you share it, I just don't know what to say.
No, no worries, no worries. You didn't need to say anything. I just want to share that, and this I understand that most of the people will don't have any input to that, because in my case as well, if I'm at your shoes, I don't know what to say as well. Um, it is what it is, I should say. And I know I'm not going to die. It's just a challenge. Every people will face, but I'm just too young for this problem. That's what I can say.
Yeah, it's a little bit too much with the people with your age. Yes, I don't know. Usually, I was just trying to come up with some good things that make people feel happier, but for this one, I don't know what to say. Life, it's no fun these days. What's the point of life? Is there any chances for you to go against that illness? Reading about this. Mm,
Um, no. I will just have to accept that I have this one, because if I don't, then it will just ruin my mental health, and my mental health is everything.